Hi, this is Sonia with RC Solutions, and welcome to the Makers Creative Collab Hop. And it's hosted by Patricia and Mariah, PM Artist Studio. And they have a YouTube channel, and they go live on Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. And they also have a Facebook group, Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists. And that's where you'll find out all kinds of things from swaps and things like that. Now this hop today is the last one that they're going to be doing, so things are going to be different in 2024. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. So today's is called Goofy Gifting, and I decided for my project it was appropriate for what I was getting ready to do anyway, because my siblings have decided this year we're going to do like the white elephant gifts, and so I thought this would be perfect for that, so that when someone picks this up, they might think, "Ooh, I don't know if I want this or not," you know, not knowing that they could have money in there or a gift card. And that's what these are. These it's like a ugly sweater Christmas ornament money gift card holder, and I made two of them, two different styles. This one was made with like printable canvas material. And I just went on Canva and found some ugly sweater background images for this one right here, and then just printed it out and stitched it together. And I'll have a process video after this video to show how I made these. But basically all I did was I put on here ugly sweater wear, and I'm just having fun with it. It's not like a real brand or anything, that, or at least not that I know of. So, and then I put pull so that the person will know to pull this out, and it holds their gift card. So you can put gift card, or you can put money, or whatever you choose to do, or whatever you want to have in there. And then you can just slide that back down in there. Let me see, how do I slide this in here? Yeah, there we go. And it fits pretty well. And then this one is the same way, except this one I literally had to make this from scratch, and I just added some fabrics and stitched over it. Just gave it layers of fabric and eyelash trim, some stem pipes, and added on these, hand sewed on these little ornaments and little bells and stuff like that on both sides. And then for the arms, I did the arms similar to the way I did this, and I printed that pattern out on the inkjet canvas paper, and did the same thing with this the collar. And then this does the same thing. You just pull this out, and then you have your little gift card holder, you know. So really simple, really easy, no big deal. So hope you guys will check out the rest of the people in the hop. A link up in the corner, a card up in the corner for the very next person. So check out PM Artist Studio on their Facebook page, Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists, and you'll see a whole bunch of things going on over there. And like I said, it's going to be different in 2024. And just go to their YouTube channel, and they have more information on what they're going to be doing as far as prompts and different things like that. But you'll have to watch so you can know what's going on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites, and the rest of the collaborators of this hop. And thanks for watching.